Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I make this quick and delicious meal which you can use for your lunch or dinner. I'll be making grilled fish and fried yam. If you want to know how to make your fish to be tasty, stay tuned and watch how I make this. To mix my spice, I will add salt, stock cube, ginger powder, white pepper powder. I've already blended my Cameroon pepper and thyme, so I'll be adding them. I will be adding my lemon and pepper seasoning. Check out my video on how to make this seasoning. Mix everything together to combine. I will also add oil and continue mixing. All you have mixed together into the spices, set aside. For my fish, I've already washed them. You can check out my video on how to wash your fish properly. I'll be using croaker fish. Feel free to use any type of fish you like. I'll be applying the mixed spices on the fish. Make sure that the spices touches the fish properly. I will add some onion slice. When I'm done applying the spices, I will cover it and put it in the fridge and allow it to marinate. Prepare my pepper sauce. I will roughly chop the scotch bonnet. I'll be cutting the red bell pepper into smaller pieces for easy blending, because I will not be adding water. When I'm done cutting, I will add them into the blender. I'll also chop the onion and add into the blender. After blending the pepper mixture, I will set it aside. I have already preheated my oven, so I will add the fish into the oven and allow to grill. start to make my pepper sauce. So I've preheated the pan. I'll be adding some oil. Add the blended pepper mixture, stir and allow to fry. If the sauce is still frying, I'll add stock cube and salt, stir and allow to continue frying. 4 minutes. The sauce is ready. I will turn off the heat. It's almost ready. I'll be applying some of the pepper sauce on the fish, put them back into the oven and allow to grill for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'll peel the yam. The yam into any shape you like. Don cut it, now wash the yam. When washing the yam, I will allow it to drain. Add a little salt on the yam. Then set aside. Into my preheated pan, I'll be adding oil. Oil is hot enough. Add the yam and allow to fry. Yam is frying. Make sure that you always turn it so that it will fry the both sides. Yam is done. Remove from the oil and set aside. Finally, the grilled fish is ready. I'll be enjoying it with my fried yam. It tastes so delicious. Try this and give me a feedback. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned.